Well, welcome to our channel. Today's sketch is of a lion and coloring it. Take out the black marker. Start by drawing a rounded square. Then draw a small expression. A little nose. Big blush. Let's paint the ears. The other ear. The lion's head has a thick coat of hair. And then a lovely body. Two cute little feet. Drawing a long tail. Draw a horizontal line. Draw some grass. A simple picture is ready. Now let's go to the thick end. It's done. It's great. Let's get started on the colors. Bright yellow. Body. Pink. Red. Olive yellow. Rose. Light green. Dark green. Yellow olive. Our work is done. It's great. Thanks for watching. See you next time.